Hello, beautiful people of Hoover, Alabama. This is Rachel Christiana. I would like to show you this beautiful home that will blow your mind. I know you've been touring homes and they are so expensive beyond your budget. Let's take a look at this one and let me know if it's worth the price. Okay, let's go. You go up this little staircase. Let me know your favorite part of the house. Okay, this is the living space. It's quite big. You have your fireplace out there, and it is pretty spacious. Let me allow you enjoy the tour while I just keep mute, okay? Yeah. So we saved the best for the last, and this is the master suite. Huge and spacious. This is the guest restroom. And this house has a lot of lighting. Like it's so bright in here that if you don't even switch on the light, it's bright. Like you don't need light. Natural lighting here, it's insane. Okay? Yeah. So that's it for the tour of the house. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it's worth the price, and let me know if you will move in into this house. Again, I'm Realtor Christiana. If you would like to have a personal and up close tour, reach out to me. My number is in the description, in the caption. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you later. Bye.